ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। In Advaita Siddhi, page number 335. We are seeing the Vishaya Vishayi Drik and Drishya Sambandha. Vishayitva Aniruktavapi Vishayadhyasenaiva Tadupapatya Vishayinah Satyatvam Yuktam. Vishayi means Brahma. Vishayi is Anirukta. Anirukta, its nirvachanam is not possible. Is not possible in which way? Satvena. Brahma is Sat because it is Avang Manasa Gochara, therefore Anirukta Vapi. Even if we don't do its nirvachanam, it is not similar to Vishaya, whose nirvachanam is not possible. Satvena, Asatvena, Ubhayatvena. They are two different. Then Purvapakshi said, if Brahma nirvachanam is also not possible, and you are saying Brahma is Satyam, Jagat nirvachanam is also not possible, Jagat should be Satyam. So Siddhanti said, no. Vishaya adhyasena eva tadupapatya vishayinah satyatvam yuktam. Because Vishaya is adhyasta in Vishayi, Brahma. Because that Brahma is adhishthanam, therefore it is Satya. If Vishaya becomes adhishthanam for anything, then it will be Satya with respect to what is adhyasta there. Like Rajju is adhishthanam for Rajju Sarpa. So Rajju is Satya compared to Rajju Sarpa. Vishayatva niruktau tu Vishayasya satyatvam na yuktam. Just because Nirukti is not there, therefore Vishaya will become Satyam is not appropriate. This we had seen. Vishayino anadhyastatvena Vishayadhyasam antarena padakasya abhavat. Is not adhyasta. Vishaya is adhyasta. Vishayadhyasam antarena anyasya upapadakasya abhavat. So you need some upapadaka which will do upapadanam of Vishayi Brahma as Satya. Yatra tu Vishayina eva adhyasaha. Vishayi. What is Vishayi?
Brahma. Brahma.
In this example, it is
Vishayi
Ajnana.
Vishayinoho in Adhyasa Bhasha. So in this, where did it go? Yatra tu Vishayina hai Adhyasa. In this case, Vishayi, which is Ajnanam. Because Ajnana's Vishaya will be Brahma. Ajnana's Vishaya is Brahma. So Ajnanam will become Vishayi. Brahma is Vishaya. In this case, Vishayi is Adhyastha in Brahma. Yatra tu Vishayina eva Adhyasa, where Ajnanam itself is Adhyastha in Brahma. Tatra Vishaya Satya eva. Yatha Ajnana Vishayo Brahma, it is given. Nacha Ubhayadhyasa. Brahma is also Adhyastha. Ajnanam is also Adhyastha. Brahma Adhyastha in Ajnanam, Ajnanam Adhyastha in Brahma. If you take this way, then it is not correct. Why? Because there will be Shunyavada Prasangat. There will be Shunyavada Prasanga. So you see in Adhyasa Bhashya, you say Itaretar Adhyasa is there. Yushmat is Adhyastha in Asmat. Tad Viparyena cha Vishaya.
अत्यंत विविक्तयोः धर्म धर्मिणोः.
Before that. युष्मद् अस्मत् प्रत्यय गोचरयोर विषय विषयणो तमः प्रकाशवत् विरुद्ध स्वभावयोः सिद्धायां तद्धर्माणामपि सुतराम् इतरेतर भावानुपपत्ति इत्यतो अस्मत् प्रत्यय गोचरे विषयिणी चिदात्मके युष्मत् प्रत्यय गोचरस्य विषयस्य अध्यास तद् विपर्येण विषयिणः तद्धर्माणांच विषये अध्यास विषयिणः अध्यास in विषय Vishayas Adhyasa in Vishay. So you are saying Ubhaya Adhyasa. So there also this question is raised. There will be Shunyavada. So the answer is Swarupadhyasa is only of Anatma. Anatma Swarupa is Adhyasa. Atma Swarupadhyasa is not there. Only Sansargadhyasa is there. Therefore there is no Shunyavada. Anyataradhyase cha विनिगमकम अनुवृत्तत्व व्यावृत्तत्व प्रकाशत्व जड़त्वादिकम एवं अन्यतरा अध्यास अन्यतरा means only one of them is adhyastha. In other words, that which is not chaitanya is adhyastha. Whether it is ghatapatadi, if it is ghatapatadi, then that is a vishaya adhyastha in vishayi. If it is ajnanam, then it is I will
Jnanam.
what? Okay, I will say this sentence again. You tell me clear answer. If it is ghatapatadi, they are adhyastha in vishayi. If it is ajnanam, it is adhyastha in
Vishaya.
Vishaya.
Only one word, Vishaya. Ajnanam is adhyastha in Vishaya, which is Brahma. In other words, Achetana will always be adhyastha in Chetana. I am always right. That is what Chaitanya wants to say. You are always wrong. This way, that way, whichever way. What is the Vinigamana? Vinigamana means, what is Vinigamana? Ekatara Pakshapatini Yukti is called Vinigamana. What is the Vinigamana in which you decide Chaitanya is always Adhisthana and Jada is always Adhyastha? What is the, how do you decide this? Why are you always right? Why can't I be right? What is the Vinigamana? He says, Anuvrittatva Vyavrittatva. Brahma is Anuvritta. Vishayas, Gatapatadi, they are Vyavritta. Or Brahma is Anuvritta, Ajnanam is Vyavritta. Because Ajnanam goes away after Jnanam. But Brahma is there before, Brahma is there after also. Prakashatva Jadatva, Brahma is Chaitanya, everything else. Ajnanam is also Jada, Ghatapata, these are also Jada. What is Jada is Adhyastha in that which is Prakashaswar. Tasmat. Vishayino Nityadrisho Anadhyasat Vishayasyeva Atra Adhyasaha. Tasmat Vishayino Nityadrisho. Vishayi Brahma, which is Nityadrig Rupa, that it doesn't have Adhyasa. That is not Adhyasa. Nityadrisho Anadhyasat Vishayasya eva atra adhyasa. Vishayasya means Ghatapatadi. Now there is one Anumanam. Nacha Pramana Jnanam Swavishayavarane. This entire Anumanam is given in Hindi Tika. You see last line on that page. Shanka, Vivaranakar, Vivada Gochara Pannam, Pramana Jnanam. Everybody found?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Swapraga Bhava. If it says Swapraga Bhava, then remove extra A. Praga Bhava. Swapraga Bhava. Vyatirikta Swavishayavarana Swanivartya Swadeshagata Vastuvantara Purvakam. This is Sadhya. Then Hetu you write down. Right now you write down somewhere, then later you add it in your book, whatever. Aprakashitartha prakashakatvat. Aprakashita artha prakashakatvat. This is the Hetu. Drishtanta is Andhakare prathamotpanna pradeepa prabhavat. Andhakare prathamotpanna pradeepa prabhavat. This Anumanam is for Ajnana Siddhi. What Purvapakshi wants to say, the Vakya, the sentence that Purvapakshi wants to say is, look, you are saying the word Vishayatva, you are not able to define. But the thing is, you have used, your acharyas have used this word that there is something which becomes Vishaya of Jnanam. Jnana Vishayatvam is there. And they have used this. So, you will also have to define what is Vishayatva. It's not only my responsibility as Purvapakshi to define, you will also have to define this. Where we have used this Anumana Pramana, he is showing. This is there in Vivarana. So you can see Purvapakshi is thorough with Vivarana Prasthana. And there, whatever he feels, he can use to show us his strength, he will show. So, this Anumanam is used by Vivaranakara, which is commentary on Panchapadika. This Anumanam is for Ajnana Siddhi. Okay. What is the Paksha? Pramana Jnanam. Vivad Gocharappannam Pramana Jnanam. So Pramana Jnanam is Paksha. Sadhya is Ajnanam. Vastu Antara Purvakam. The last part in the Sadhya is this. Vastu Antara Purvakam. Vastu Antara is Ajnanam. Pramana Jnanam Ajnana Purvakam. Ajnana Purvakam means Ajnanam Purvam Yasya Tat Ajnana Purvakam Pramana Jnanam. Bahuvrihi Samas. Before Pramana Jnanam takes place, there is Ajnanam. And the Visheshanas for that Ajnanam are Swapragabhava Vyatirikta. If you want to put comma, Swapragabhava Vyatirikta, Swavishaya Avarana, Swanivartya, and Swadeshagata. Vastuantara. Swa means Ghata Patadi Jnana, which is Pramana Jnanam. Brahma Jnanam also you can take, which is also Pramana Janya Jnana, Brahmakar Vritti Janya Jnana. What does it do? Aprakashita Artha Prakashakatvat. It is Aprakashita Arthasya Prakashakam. Drishtanta is Andhakare Prathamotpanna Pradipa Prabhava. In Andhakara, the first Utpanna Pradipa Prabha. This is a Drishtanta. Does that Pradipa Prabha have Aprakashita Artha Prakashakatvam? Does it have the ability to illumine something which was not already illumined?
Yes.
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 It was dark, you light it, it has the ability to illumine. Okay. So, in Drishtanta, Hetu is there. Now, in Drishtanta, we have to put Sadhya. Swapragabhava. So, let us say Ghata. Ghata is in the dark room. Okay. Before Ghata gets illumined, for illumination, you need light. So you are bringing Prabha. Before the Jnanam takes place, Swa Pragabhava. Swa means that Jnana, let's say Ghata Jnana. Ghata Jnana Pragabhava is there before Ghata Jnanam?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Before Ghata Jnana, Ghata Pragabhava is there. Other than Ghata Pragabhava, what else was there? That you have to note. Something else was there. Before Ghata Jnanam, Ghata Pragabhava was there. I mean, Ghata Jnana Pragabhava was there. And something else was there. The Swa Pragabhava Vyatirikta. Okay. Then Swa Vishaya Avarana. Swa means Ghata Jnanam. Ghata Jnana Vishaya is what?
Ghata.
Ghata. Ghata Avarana. What is the Ghata Avarana?
Andhakara.
Andhakara. So before Ghata Jnana, that which was there, different from Ghata Jnana Pragabhava, that Andhakara. That Andhakara which created Avarana on Ghata, which is the Vishaya of Ghata Jnana. Then Swanivartya. Swanivartya means Ghata Jnana Nivartya. Ghata Jnana Nivartya is, so in case of Prakasha, is it Ghata Prakasha Nivartya? Is Andhakara. And Swadesha Gata, right there where that Jnanam is, right there, Andhakar was. in the same desha. Vastu antara purvakam. That vastu antara is andhakara in drashtanta, and vastu antara is ajnanam in paksha. Okay. Sadhya is clear. Swag praga bhav vyatikta. So in drashtanta, before Ghata Prakasha takes place, there was something other than Ghata Prakasha Pragava. And it is Swavishaya Avarana. That Andhakar creates Avarana on Ghata. Swanivartya. It is Ghata Prakasha Nivartya. And it is Ghata Prakasha Deshagata. But Vastu Antara. What was there before, different from Ghata Prakasha. And in Darshtanta, it is Jnana. So in Drashtanta, Sadhya is there. In Pramana Jnanam, Sadhya. Hetu is there. Aprakashita Artha Prakashakatvam is there in Pramana Jnanam. Ajnata Jnapakam, Pramanam. And Sadhya is also there. Okay, this Anumanam is not the main topic here. The main topic is only focusing on Swavishaya. Swavishaya Avarana. So Ghata Vishaya, Ghata which is becoming Vishaya of Ghata Jnanam and Ghata Jnanam also. This is what you are using for this. So Swavishaya Avarana is the Ghataka. So Purvapakshi, come back to the Moolam. Nacha Pramana Jnanam Swavishaya Avarane Swavishaya Avarana Ityadi Uktya Drig Vishayatva Rupa Drishyattvasya Hetu Karanena cha Tvayapi Vishayatvam Nirvachyam eva iti. So one is this Vivrana Drashtanta Ityadi Uktya and Drig Vishayatva Rupa Drishyattvasya Hetu Karanena cha Drig Vishayatva Rupa Drishyattvasya Hetu Karanam Prapancho Mithya Drishyatvat. What is Drishyatvam? What is given in that line?
Hetu.
Huh? What?
Hetu Vishaya.
No, Drishyatva is Hetu. But what is Drishyatva?
Vishayatva.
Drig Vishayatva. Drig Vishayatva Rupa Drishyatva. What is Drishyatva? Becoming Vishaya of Drashta is called Drishya. Drishyatva is nothing but becoming Vishaya of Drashta. Drig Vishayatva Rupa Drishyattvasya Hetu Karanena. Hetu Karanena. This Drishyatva is Hetu, that is given. But what is Drishyatva? Having Sambandha with Drig. Then only it will become Drishya. Hetu Karanena cha. Tvayapi Vishayatvam Nirvachyam. You will also have to define what is Vishayatvam. Iti Siddhanti says Nacha Vachyam. Why? Tattvato anirvachyatve api adhyastatvena ghatadi samakaksha nirvachyattvasya sambhavat. Tattvata I will not do nirvachana. There it is Paramarthika Sat. But adhyastha vastu I can do nirvachanam like ghatadi samakaksham. It is like Vyavaharik Satya. I can explain it. I don't have problem. Nanu katham Pramana Jnana Vishayo Adhyastha iti ched. Purvapakshi says, you are saying it is Pramana Jnana Vishaya and it is Adhyastha, Ghata Patadi. If they are Pramana Jnana Vishaya, how can they be Adhyastha? Rajju Sarpa is Adhyastha in Rajju. Rajju Sarpa is not Pramana Jnana Vishaya. But Ghata Patadi are Pramana Jnana Vishaya. How can they be Adhyastha in Brahma? इति चेत् न प्रपंच विषयक. Everybody understood the question?
Yes, Swamiji.
प्रपंच विषयक ज्ञाने तत्वावेदकत्व लक्षण प्रामाण्याभावात् इति ग्रहण. प्रपंच विषयक ज्ञान how will you do समास विग्रह? प्रपंच विषयो यस्य ज्ञानस्य तज्ज्ञानं प्रपंच विषयकम्. सो प्रपंच विषयकं च तज्ज्ञानं च इति प्रपंच विषयक ज्ञानम्. तस्मिन् प्रपंच विषयक ज्ञाने means in case of ghata patadi jnanam, it does not have tattva vedakatva pramanyam. Tattva abhavat. In other words, there is tattva vedaka pramanam and there is vedaka pramanam. In Vedanta Paribhasha, this is given in Shabda Pramana. Tattva vedaka means that which will not get refuted even later. Atattva vedaka means right now it is considered as pramanam, later refuted. So Siddhanti says, you understand it is not tattva vedaka. Atayeva yadrisham vishayatvam te vrittim prati chidatmanah. This is a shloka, actually it is given above in Nyayamrita. Yadrisham vishayatvam te. Chant.
Yadrusham Vishayate
Tim prati chidatmanah.
Kim Pratichidatmanaha
Yadrisham में
Tadrusham Vishayatvam Me
दृश्यस्यापि दृशं प्रति
दृश्यस्यापि दृशं प्रति यादृशं विषयत्वं ते वृत्तिं प्रतिचिदात्मनः तादृशं विषयत्वं मे दृश्यस्यापि दृशं प्रति.
यादृशं, दिस इज पूर्वपक्षी श्लोक. यादृशं विषयत्वं ते वृत्तिं प्रति चिदात्मनः. यादृशं विषयत्वं, whatever nature that you have identified for vritti, वृत्तिं प्रति चिदात्मनः विषयत्वं. Vrittim prati means if Brahmakar vritti is there and Brahma, what is Adhyastha where?
Brahmakara vritti is
Brahmakara vritti.
Brahma.
Brahmakar vritti will be Adhyastha in Brahma because Brahma is Chaitanya. So Purvapakshi says Brahmakar vritti's Vishaya is Brahma. But you say that Brahma is the one in which vritti is adhyastha. You say the same thing for me. Ghatakar vritti is there and that Ghatakar vritti is adhyastha in Ghata. Why you want to say Ghata is adhyastha in Ghatakar vritti? This argument we have refuted now with all this analysis that we have done. Iti nirastam. By chidatmano anadhyase api vrittes tatra adhyastattvena tad drishtantena prakrite anadhyasasya vaktum ashakyatvat. Chidatma is not adhyasta. Chidatmanaha anadhyase api. Vrittehe tatra adhyastattvena. Vritti is adhyasta in that. Tad drishtantena prakrite. That Drishtanta is taken here, Prakriti, and therefore, in our case, Brahma even though is adhishthanam in which vritti is adhyasta, ghata cannot become adhishthanam. The ghata is jada, ghatakar vritti has tadavachinna chaitanya. Therefore, ghata will be adhyasta. So, prakriti ghata patadinam anadhyasasya vaktum ashakyatvat. Prakriti means of Jagat, Ghata Patadi, they are not adhyasta that you cannot say. They are adhyasta. Syad etat mithyatvam nirvachata tat sadhanam drishyatvadikam nirvaktavyam eva. Okay, let it be there. Syad etat, Purvapakshi says. Mithyatvam nirvachata. Nirvachata, there are different pathantaras in this. We'll just go by nirvachata. Nirvachata tvaya. You have to do adhyahara tvaya. Nirvachata tritiya ekvachanam. Mithyatvam nirvachata tvaya tad sadhanam drishyatvadikam nirvaktavyam eva. If you say Jagat is mithya, then you have to show what is the sadhanam for this mithyatva siddhi. So mithyatva sadhana is drishyatvam. Purvapakshi said, then you have to define what is drishyatvam. Nirvaktavyam eva. So drishyatvam, what is that? Ayam ghataha, ayam pataha. This is drishyatvam. Nahi ghata patadi asankirna आकार ज्ञानम विना तद विलक्षण व्यवहार. घटपटादि असंकीर्ण आकार ज्ञान. असंकीर्ण मीन्स अनमिक्स्ड, भिन्न. That which has इतर भेद. अयम घटः अयम पटः, this tad vilakshana vyavahara is not possible. Nahi. So any vyavahara where itara bheda is not known, then such vyavahara is not possible. For any distinct vyavahara, itara bheda is required. Patapatadi asankirna akara jnanam vina tad vilakshana. Sankirna means mixed up. Asankirna means separate. Without the distinct knowledge of Ghatapatadi, tad vilakshana vyavahara is not possible. Atha anirukta asankirnakara jnana matrena tad upapattihi. Therefore, how you will do nirvachanam? Anirukta asankirna akara jnana matrena. Asankirna akara means that specific akara. So in the Tika they have given Prutubudnadi asankirna akara jnanam. Means that which has the round belly and short neck, flat base, something like that. That is a ghata. So Pruthu-Budnadi asankirnakara jnana, without that such vyavahara, drishyatva vyavahara is not possible. This will become its lakshana. Tarhi tulyam mama api. How you are defining Vishaya? Purvapakshi is telling Siddhanti. You are also defining Vishaya in this way. I am also defining in the same way. You are saying how Vishayatva is possible. How it is possible for you? It's the same way it is possible for me. Siddhanti says Iyanstu Vishesha. But there is some difference. Yat tava sa akaraha sad vilakshanaha mama tu tvanmata siddha pratibhasika vailakshanya sadhaka mana siddha sattakaha. This ayam ghataha, ayam pataha, there is some asankirna akara. Okay. Siddhanti will say this asankirna akara which is there, it has something different. The way you understand and the way I understand. Purvapakshi says, I know what you are going to say. What is the difference? What is the difference? So this line shows the difference. Iyanstu Visheshaha. Yat tava sa akaraha. Because it is said tava sad vilakshana. Therefore, this vakya is Purvapakshi's vakya. According to Purvapaksha, Ghata Patadi Jagat is sad vilakshana. According to Siddhanti. According to Siddhanti, Ghata Patadi Jagat is sad vilakshana. Mamatu Twan mata siddha pratibhasika vailakshanya sadhaka mana siddha sattakaha. In my case, because in Purvapakshi's case, they say Jagat is Satyam. Siddhanti says it is Sad Vilakshanam. So he doesn't want to use Sad Vilakshana and Satyam. So he says, you say it is Sad Vilakshana. We say it is Pratibhasika Vilakshana. Mamatu Tvanmata Siddha. Pratibhasika is Siddha in your matam, because you say Pratibhasika Vyavaharika Paramarthika. So Tvanmata Siddha Pratibhasika Vailakshanya. Different from that Pratibhasika is Vyavaharika. Tat Sadhaka Mana Siddha Sattaka. It has this Satta. Vyavaharik Satta. So what is that? Sadhaka Mana. That Manam is Pramanam. That Pramanam which will do Siddhi of Pratibhasika Vailakshanya. Pratibhasika Vailakshanya Sadhaka Mana means Pramana Siddha Sattakaha. Siddha Sattakaha Vishayaha. This line is clear. So, Purvapakshi is saying, whatever Lakshana you define of Vishaya, I will also use the same Lakshana. Siddhanti will say, but the Lakshana that we say, it is Sad Vilakshanam. Ghata Patadi Akara is Sad Vilakshana. So we are separating it from Brahma. Purvapakshi says, I don't have Brahma in my Siddhanta. I will separate it from Pratibhasika Vastu. So, whatever we say, Ghata Patadi is different from Pratibhasika. He says that I will take. But I will not call it different from Pratibhasika. I will say it is Satyam. So for Purva Pakshi, Satya means Paramarthika Satyam. For Siddhanti, Vyavaharik Satyam is Sad Vilakshana. This is the Veda. Okay, so now, I hope now it is clear.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Nahi lakshanoक्ति अनुक्तिभ्याम सदसद वैलक्षण्य रूप अनिर्वचनीयत्व हानि लाभौ. Lakshana ukti and anukti. By saying the lakshana and not giving the lakshana, lakshana ukti anuktibhyam sad asad vailakshanya rupa anirvachaniyatva hani labhau na. Sad vailakshanyam is for Siddhanti. Sad asad vailakshanya rupa anirvachaniyatva Purvapakshi. Mean anirvachaniya, what Siddhanti only will define sad asad vailakshanya rupa anirvachaniya. There is no hani labha if you give the lakshana or not give the lakshana. Brahmani api shrautasya api jagat karanatwadi lakshanasya karanatva khandana ritya asambhavat. In Brahma, shrautasya api jagat karanat. Shrauta means in Shruti, Brahma is given as jagat karana. So jagat karanatva lakshana is given by Shruti or Brahma. But karanatva khandana ritya asambhavat. When karanatva khandanam is done, and therefore asambhavat. There is a shloka given. I think this is probably Panchakosha Viveka Prakarana. Kidrik tat pratyagiti chet tadrik idrik iti dvayam. This sounds like Panchadashi only. Kidrik tat pratyak. What is the nature of that pratyagatma? Iti chet tadrik idrik iti dvayam yatra na prasarati etat pratyak iti avadharaya. What is pratyak? There where idrik tadrik is not there is called pratyak. Means what is atma? Pratyagatma. Pratyagatma is something that doesn't become vishaya of idam and tat. Tadrik like that. Idrik like this. That which is not like this, not like that is atma. Iti brahmano api durnirupatva uktesya. So you are also not able to define Brahma. When we ask you what is Brahma, you say that which is not idrik, that which is not tadrik, that is pratyak. So Brahma nirupanam is not possible. Prapancha nirupanam is also not possible. Prapancha api tvad ukta anirvachyatva samakaksha lakshana sambhavachya. There also anirvachyatva lakshana is there. So then why do you say Jagat alone is mithya? Why can't you say Brahma is also mithya? Yat kathinam sa prithvi ityadi shrutya prithvyadinam api lakshanatva uktesya. And you have given lakshana for prithvi. Where do you say it is anirvachaniyam? Yat kathinam sa prithvi. Lakshana is there. Or gandhavatvam prithvitvam. Tasmad anirvachyatvam na sattva virodhi. It's not necessary that if something nirvachanam is not done, then it is not satyam. Nirvachanam is not done, means it is anirvachaniya. Therefore, it is not satyam, it is mithya. It is not true. And if nirvachanam is done, still it can be satyam. Like you have done nirvachanam of Prithvi, you have defined it, and it is still satyam. सत्वे अपि अद्भुतत्वात् एव अनिर्वाच्यत्व उपपत्तेः। Even if it is Satya, Purvapakshi is saying, if it is Satya, if it is Adbhuta, if it is wonder, you are not able to define. So you say Brahma, you are not able to define because it is Adbhuta, it is wonder. Ashcharyavat pashyati kaschidенam, Ashcharyavat vadati tathaiva chanya ityadi. He says Jagat, Jagat is also Adbhuta, indescribable. Therefore, Jagat also will be Satyam. अद्भुतत्वात् अनिर्वचनीयत्वम्। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।